Okay, so hello everyone, this is Miss Turner and I'm going to be showing you multiplying a number by a fraction that's less than or equal to, less than or greater than 1. But this time, instead of showing you with fractions, I'm going to be showing you with decimals. So let's look at our first one. The first one says 4 times 1/4. So instead of looking at 1/4, I can convert my fraction to a decimal. This is a benchmark fraction, but if you don't remember what it looks like as a decimal, you can just convert it by dividing top in, bottom out. So my top number goes on the inside, my bottom number goes on the outside, and then I do my division like normal. So my new equation would be 4 times 0.25. From here, when I'm looking at my second factor, all I need to ask myself, is it less than or greater than? If it's less than, if it's greater than, so again, because this 1/4 or 25 hundredths is less than 4, I know my product is going to be less than 4. And when we multiplied it out, we got 1. Okay, now let's look at other options. If I wanted to write 3/4 as a decimal, again, I would do top in, bottom out. This is a benchmark fraction, so you should know this decimal by heart, but if you don't, divide. So 3/4 as a decimal is 0.75. So my new equation is 4 times 75 hundredths, and my decimal factor is less than 1. So my product is going to be less than the whole number factor. Okay, we learned how to multiply by decimals last week, so if you wanted to double check yourself, multiply Alright, now let's look at if we're multiplying whole number by an improper fraction, or a fraction greater than 1. So still again, I can convert these into this improper fraction into a decimal, again by dividing. So I'm going to say 5 divided by 4. So 4 times 1.25. My second factor, or my decimal, is greater than 1. So that means my product is also going to be, or my product is going to be greater than the whole number factor, which in this case is 4. So to prove that is so, I'm going to multiply Five is greater than 4. The product is greater than the whole number factor. Okay, and let's look at our last problem. What if we had 4 times 7 halves? Again, convert my improper fraction to a decimal, top in, bottom out. Okay, so then I'm going to do 3.5 times 4, because my new equation is 4 times 3.5. My product is 14, and my product is greater than my whole number fraction, which was, or my whole number factor, which was 4. Okay.